So in this vlog, I'm going to show you how to make drawstring bags. These can be used for toiletry bags, laundry bags, whatever you want. But I thought I'll show you how to make them because I made my friend in Amsterdam some and now they've got them. It was a surprise. I can now show you how to make them. So here it is with the help of the mother. Enjoy. Bye. So before you start making your drawstring bag or toiletry bag, as these are going to be, you need to iron your fabric so you don't have any kinks in it and you measure it wrong. So I've picked these two, so this is going to go on the inside, that's going to go on the outside, and then Baz has picked these two, so that's going to go on the outside and this is going to go on the inside. So the next step is to measure them and then get them cut.
Measure the pieces so they all measure the same. See, that's 21 and that's 21 and a half, so you now have to, so you need that on your thingy. That's 21. That's moved again. Right, get that one there. Right, 21. Right, you have to keep checking this just to make sure it doesn't move when you... Right, so then you need to cut that off.
So if you use these little roller cutters to cut your fabric, they are much easier than scissors. So you just hold this down. I've already pre-cut this because obviously I've got the camera as well. So you just put it on there. No, just put it on there and then just roll it down. And then voila! So then we're going to double check the measurements again. Just to make sure it has cut it right. And then next step. Okay, due to having to trim the material at the top, I lost a bit up there. So it now measures 20.5 on both ends. Yep, so it now measures 20.5. No. So it now measures 20.5 on both ends. So okay.
Right, did the width a little bit shorter than the length because you need the length to turn because you use more. Right, they're all same size.
Yeah.
Right, now what you have to do is sew sounds funny, doesn't it? Sew. You have to sew. Oh, for goodness sake.
So
Where's my glasses? Then pin to about, and from that pin go down an inch. Right. Now when you sew the sides, you just sew, you don't sew that bit, you sew to there and you sew from there down. You get what I mean?
yep. Okay, so what we need to mention is you need your fabrics facing each other like that and like this, so they're facing each other. I've pinned them and then I've remarked them with some fabric chalk. So now I'm going to stitch there, across, up on both of them, so both separate, and then one's going to go into the other. Okay, wish me luck. So when you start, always make sure your cotton is away from you. Okay, right, let's go.
corners, so it'll turn out better. So you can turn the bag out. See where your stitching is. And then you turn it inside out. So the corners come out, poke it out. You do that with everyone. Do that with all of them. Right, you just poke the corners out on every one of those. And then you have to join, right, you've got to decide which is going to be your outside bag and your inside bag.
Right.
Put that one in there.
Yeah, that's going on the inside.
Right. So you have to put one that's right way out into one that isn't right way out. Two right sides together of your bags. Then you sew round, leaving a gap, say 5 or 6 inches there, maybe less, it's up to you. And then when it's finished, you can pull it all out. Just sew around that and then leave a gap where you want to leave your gap. And then when you finish that, just get your bag and pull the fabric through. Until you've got it all through. Done that, you've got to go and press this top seam so it's flat.
Well, I'll press for that.
Maybe put some pins in to try and, you know, so you can press it out first. And that little gap you've left there can just be either done by machine or just oversewn by hand. Do you got to just give them a bit of a roll like that on your get onto the top. Where your gap is there, you've got to measure up, get that end of tape measure, which is about 2 inch. So what you do is you can either tack this or put pins in 2 inch intervals like that. 2 inch now. Like this. Try not to join them two together. Or you can chalk mark it. Put what do you want to do?
Pins, because I don't want to mark it.
Watch that because it's got a crease in there. So now you have to sew from that side to that side, and then from that side to that side, making sure you don't go over your opening.
So you stitch another line underneath, 1 inch down to hold your cord. Now we're going to thread the cord through the gap like so.
Put your thread through and pull it out that side. I need to pull one of these back. You need to get your cord the right length that you need it, so we'll just pull some of that back. through there like that, and then you just need enough at that end, so I would cut that off there.
Right.
And then
2 knots in there.
tie those 2 together. Like that. And that's for one end. That's it. And then you get this again. And when it's finished, you just get your 2 ends and you draw it up like that.
Ta-da!
And there is your bag.
Bag 1. Now I need to finish the other one.
Yes, I know.
So here are the finished bags. And as you can see, I've put the names on them. And then, so these are double lined, and they're also reversible as well. You can just pull your strings out there. So you can have them anywhere you want. But I'm really, really pleased with the way these turned out. So you should give it a go. Because you can use these for like PE bags, toiletry bags, laundry bags, whatever you desire. So yeah, so give it a whirl, and then let me know in the comments if you did give it a go and how it went. So yeah, so thank you for watching how to make the bags, and we will probably do more sewing things maybe. We'll see how it goes, and we have got some other stuff coming up. So subscribe if you haven't already, and then that'll keep you updated with what we get on with, because we've got some awesome stuff lined up. Thank you to who have already subscribed, and we will see you, me, Baz is upstairs, so we'll go and see him in a minute. But yeah, we'll see you in the next vlog. See you later, bye.